Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Oil sprayer. Lifetime assurance. We stand behind the quality of our olive oil dispenser bottle. If you're unsatisfied or face any issues, contact us anytime. We offer lifetime support to ensure you're fully satisfied with this essential kitchen essential. Dual dispensing. This 2-in-1 oil dispenser and oil sprayer allows you to spray or pour with ease. It's a versatile oil dispenser bottle spray and pour solution, keeping your kitchen organized and efficient. Precision spray nozzle. The olive oil spray bottle features a nozzle that delivers a fine mist or steady stream, offering precise control. It's perfect for drizzling or spraying, making it an essential oil bottles for kitchen. Control oil intake. Each spray dispenses 0.15 g of oil, helping you manage your daily intake. This cooking oil sprayer is designed for healthier, more controlled cooking with minimal waste. Mixing bowls. Airtight lids 3 greater attachments. The airtight lids that come with this mixing bowl set make it easy to store ingredients and leftovers without worrying about spills or leaks. 3.5 QT had a removable lid inside the main lid, for adding contents or pairing it with your blender without removing the entire lid to prevent splash. This bowl set comes with 3 different grater attachments, slicing/grating/shredding. Just shred or slice right into the bowl. Non-slip silicone bottoms. The rubber on the bottom of the mixing bowls is for gripping and staying put, which prevents sliding on the countertops when mixing and also protects the desk from high temperatures. Attention! The stainless steel bowls needs to be cleaned in time after use to avoid excess stains caused by rust, especially oil stains. Kitchen knife set. All-in-one kitchen set. 15-piece knife set includes 8 chef's knife, 8 slicing knife, 7 Santoka knife, 8 serrated bread knife, 5 utility knife, 3.5 paring knife, 6 4.5 serrated steak knives, 1 kitchen shear and hardwood knife block with built-in knife sharpener. High performance. Hunter Dual Kitchen Knife Set is stain and rust resistant and can be used with high frequency or after long periods of inactivity to fully utilize the life of the knives. Non-stick rust resistant. With a black coating that prevents oxidation of the steel, the kitchen knife set will last a long time and remain non-stick and rust-resistant. Dishwasher safe. The knife set can be washed in the dishwasher, easy and quick to operate, and dry the knife set after cleaning for easy storage, not taking up space. Silicone oven mitt set. Durable, heat-resistant silicone. The KitchenAid ribbed soft silicone mitts are heat-resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit to safely shield hands from the heat while cooking and handling hot pans and dishes. Waterproof slip-resistant. These silicone mitts are water-resistant for additional protection from hot spills and spots with a textured, ribbed stripe design for a safe and secure grip. Set of 2 includes 2 generously sized oven mitts that each measures 7 wide x 13 long for a comfortable fit. Additional protection comfort. The 100% cotton cuff provides additional protection from the heat with polyester lining that offers comfort and insulation. Easy care. These KitchenAid oven mitts can be easily cleaned. Simply rinse off with water and wipe them clean. Balloon whisk. Fatigue-free mixing 8.5 plus 10.5 plus 12 thickened wire comfy non-slip grip made Annie whisk can be fatigue-free mixing. Proper balance between floppy and sturdy. More guaranteed than others. Great for non-stick pots, and PNSNE at whisk have sturdy silicone protective cover, which is non-stick itself and won't scratch the non-stick coating in your pots and pans. Easy cleaning after using. Annie whisks are perfect with your cooking ware. SWFT, comfortable, non-slip handle innovative ergonomic handle shape and soft, comfortable grip to absorb pressure. Its excellent balance and control let you really feel the quality of Annie. HEAT-resistant, durable, healthy silicones are resistant to heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making them ideal for cooking almost any favorite food. Annie whisk won't discolor, warp, or melt. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe. Vegetable chopper. The original pro chopper. Our superstar veggie slicer has been creating waves on TikTok. Simple to use, set up, and clean. Save time and energy during meal prep with our OG vegetable chopper. Chop, slice, and dice your ingredients like a seasoned chef. Easy meal prep with rust-resistant blades. Our vegetable chopper is perfect for anyone who wants to eat healthier but doesn't have a lot of time to spare. Dice potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and more with the heavy-duty, rust-resistant blades. The 420 stainless steel blades retain razor sharpness for crisp, smooth dicing. A kitchen essential. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned pro, the Full-Star Food Chopper is a must-have in any kitchen. It's versatile, easy to use, and dishwasher safe. Please read the instruction manual provided with the Full-Star Food Chopper closely before use. Hand blender. No more lumpy chunks. Equipped with a strength 1100W full copper motor, providing for several times significantly stronger blending and chopping capabilities in seconds to create velvety smooth puree results. Easy-to-use variable speed trigger design. With a pulse-activated sensor, just follow your intuition to control over the recipe and reduce splattering. Getting a switch from low to high speed quickly for easy pureeing, emulsifying, or whipping with just one touch. Effortless cleanup, scratch-free. Features a unique food-grade nylon blade guard designed to minimize suction, preventing scratches on your pots and pans and keeping splashes at bay for a cleaner kitchen and hassle-free cleanup. Comfort at its best. Stylish and ergonomic grip offers a non-slip and comfortable grip when continuously blending ingredients. A perfect gift for mom, grandparents, camper, or all the food lovers on housewarming parties, weddings, birthdays, Thanksgiving Day, and Christmas. Meat tenderizer. Transform tough cuts into tender meals. Even $8 steaks taste gourmet now. My guests are amazed. 48-blade meat tenderizer break fibers deeply, ensuring perfect flavor absorption every time you cook. Crafted from rust-resistant stainless steel tool for lasting use. Built like a tank, still perfect after hundreds of uses. Weighted design delivers optimal pressure with a comfortable, secure grip. The detachable design rinses clean in seconds. Just pop it apart, quick wash, done. No food gets trapped. Dishwasher-safe components. Eliminate scrubbing for proper hygiene after use. Unlike jacket. Creates channels for marinades to penetrate deeper all. Overnight flavor in just 30 minutes. Game changer for weeknight cooking. Seasonings reach the core for juicier, tastier meals. Salad spinner. Quick push and one-handed operation salad spinner. Press the handle. The inner basket will rotate smoothly and stable at high speed, so it will separate and remove water from greens in seconds. It works equally well for left and right-handed users. Excellent design of vegetable spinner. A quick brake button allows for an immediate stop. The foldable pump handle for easy storage. The widened anti-slip silicone ring at the bowl helps the spinner stay stable during operation and protects the tabletop from getting scratched. Fully transparent design. High-quality plastic to make the whole salad spinner completely transparent. Not only is it convenient for you to see if all the water in the greens has been drained, but it is also a beautiful piece of kitchen art. Food storage container. Premium borosilicate glass. Experience the durability and clarity of our borosilicate glass food storage containers. Perfect for everyday use, these containers are a popular choice among consumers looking for long-lasting, high-quality kitchenware. Airtight freshness. Keep your meals fresher for longer with our airtight food storage containers. The precision-fit lids ensure an airtight seal, making them ideal for meal prep and preserving leftovers, while maintaining flavor and freshness. Microwave oven-safe convenience. Simplify your cooking and reheating process with our oven-safe and microwave-safe glass containers. Their versatile design is perfect for busy lifestyles, allowing for easy transition from freezer to microwave or oven. Safe, trustworthy. Prioritize your health with our BPA-free glass food containers. They provide the assurance of safety and quality for all your kitchen storage needs.